going on? It's me, Jaspas Deck, and welcome back to School of Cardistry. Today we're gonna be learning a simple move called Frontflip. Frontflip is a utility move that you can use to transfer packets from one hand to the other. One of the potential situations you might want to use this move when you have a pack of cards that is too thick in one hand and too thin in the other. You can use the Frontflip technique to transfer some cards from one hand to the other to create a more equal separation of cards in those hands. It's a fun move, it's an easy move. Go grab yourself a deck of playing cards and let's get down to learning Frontflip. Frontflip. To do Frontflip, first begin by placing half the deck in your master hand. Using your ring finger, clip that packet against your palm like so. Essentially, all the fingers are not touching this packet except for your ring finger. Using your thumb, approach the bottom corner of this packet and peel off a small packet of cards. It can be literally any amount of cards, but I suggest about 4 to 5 cards. Open it up like a book and approach the bottom of your hand with your other hand. Using your thumb, allow the center of gravity of this packet of cards to lean forward and have it drop into your other hand. While doing Frontflip, try to ensure the rate of cards being pushed out is as consistent as possible. What this means is that you don't want it to be like 1, 2, and then you like, oh, I can't grip the packet, and then 3, 4. You want it to be consistent. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. To do the Charlier card Frontflip combo that you saw during the intro, first begin by separating the deck into 2 packets. Next, perform a Charlier card in your non-master hand while executing a Frontflip at the same time. Using your index finger, push up this packet of cards and execute another Frontflip onto this hand. Close these packets and then execute one more Frontflip, like so. And then you can close the packets however you like. While you're executing this combo, it is important for the rate of packets being tossed out to be as consistent as possible. From the front view, this is what that looks like when performed slowly. Break the deck into 2 packets, Charlier card in one hand, Frontflip, push up, Frontflip, push down, Frontflip. You can also go like this: Charlier card Frontflip, push up Frontflip, close Frontflip, open Frontflip, and close. Basically, you are free to mix and match the positions of the packets in the left hand as you are executing the Frontflip in your right hand. Alright, so there you have it. Very easy, isn't it? Alright guys, thank you guys very much for watching this video. I hope you find a way to make the Frontflip uniquely and distinctively yours. This is a utility move that you can adapt to exactly what you need from it. Until next time guys, I'm Jaspas, and check out thenewdeckorder.com if you want the latest updates on Jaspas Deck Favorite Day 2 editions. Take care guys. Bye bye.